Tensions between Usher and Justin Bieber are once again making headlines after an incident at Beyonce and Jay-Z's exclusive Oscars after party. According to multiple reports, the two artists were involved in a heated exchange during the high-profile event, which is known for its strict no-phones policy and elite guest list. While some witnesses claimed the argument may have turned physical, sources close to Bieber denied that anything escalated beyond a tense conversation, suggesting it was intense but controlled. The situation reportedly began when Usher approached Bieber in a confrontational manner, leading to an uncomfortable interaction between the two. This moment has drawn attention not just because of what happened that night, because of the long and complicated history they share. Usher famously mentored Bieber from a young age after he was introduced to him by Scooter Braun, playing a major role in launching his career and even remaining close enough to perform at Bieber's wedding to Hailey Bieber. However, signs of distance between them have surfaced over time, including when both artists unfollowed each other on social media, sparking speculation about a falling out. Some reports suggest that industry controversies and associations may have added strain to their relationship, while fans believe earlier professionals' decisions like Bieber declining to join Usher for a major performance may have also contributed. Despite the growing rumors, not all sources agree on what really happened. Some insiders claim the situation has been exaggerated, stating that Bieber simply chose to avoid engaging in a deeper conversation with Usher, with no shouting, physical altercation, or dramatic scene. With such conflicting accounts, the truth remains unclear. What is evident, however, is that an interaction between a mentor and his former protege has once again sparked widespread curiosity, turning a private moment at one of Hollywood's most exclusive parties into a major talking point.